Hello everyone, welcome to the Quantphilic. So today in this video, I won't be solving like completely a set. I'll be just telling you that suppose in exam scenario, if you're not able to solve a set, okay, then how sometimes options can help you. Sorry, questions can help you solve this. Okay, so let's start. Like this is the set. Some basic reading stuffs I will do. So these are Ganga Motors is the largest car dealer in Kolkata. The set is from SIMCAT one. The dealer has sold 300 cars, so 300 cars. Okay. The following pie chart shows a percentage of 7 different types of cars. These 300, the 7 different are these. Okay. And just some information given. Okay. So let us interpret the data a little bit. Percentage of sedan is more than MUV is more than coupe. So sedan is P. MUV is Q and more than coupe. Now third is percentage of SUV types car is sold is same as convertible is same as hatchback. Okay. So SUV A, convertible B, hatchback C. So A equal to B equal to C. Now total number of sedan, MUV and coupe is 230. Okay. So sedan, MUV, coupe is 330. What does it mean? It means that the remaining car is what? A, B, C and T. Okay. So we can write 3A since A equal to B equal to C. So 3A plus T equal to how much? 300 minus 230. So we can write this as 70. Okay. Now C. This is not percentage form I am writing. Okay. Remember? You can take different variables as well, but I'm sure that I'm not writing, like I know that I'm not writing in the percentage form. I'm treating them as numbers for now. So I know I have written in such way. Okay, you can take different variables to avoid confusion for yourself. So the question number one is, what is the value of T percent into 45? Okay. So see, T percent is basically like if you equate the value to this, we know that T percent into 45 equal to suppose the option. So 96 equate. Okay. Now after finding percentage, if I convert it into the concrete value, that is like these are the percentage given. If you try to convert it into the number, then we should get an integer value, na, right? We should get an integer value. So see, I'm taking an option and checking it. So T percent into 45 equal to 96. So from here, T will be how much? T, and I'm converting it into the value as well, what I told you. So basically to convert percentage, we know that there are total 300 cars, so multiply by 300. So what we'll get? We'll get 96 by 45. Use the on-screen calculator. Okay. So I'm getting 64. So from here, writing it over here, getting 64. Okay. Now, rest now we'll check with 4.45 and 4.65. Okay. So with 4.45, it will be 46. 96, sorry, 4.45 divided by 45 into 300. Okay. This was 9.6, remember? Okay. 4.45 divided by 45 into 300. So I am getting the value as 29.66. Is it possible that I get 29.66 as number of cars? Not possible, which means that this option is gone. Okay. And now let's check similarly, let's check the last option as well. So in last option, directly write it as 4.65 divided by 45 into 300. So 31. So this is 31 I'm getting. 31 and here 64 or 31. Now I'm still in dilemma that which option to choose because there are three options, A, B as well as C to choose. Okay. Now, so what I'll do is I'll go back to the set, I'll check different questions. So let's come next question. This won't help me. This can help me. What can be the minimum number of cars sold of a specific type? Okay. This can help me. And what can be the minimum number of sedan? Yes, this question will for sure, like as soon as you read this, add to current page. Okay. You should be able to spot this. Okay. For now, I'm getting two values of T, which I'm not sure which one to pick up. Now, this question is, what is the minimum number of cars of sedan, MUV, coupe, and pickup? So you can see that sedan, MUV, coupe, these three values is fixed now 220 plus what remains is pickup. Then why has this question asked? What can be? Why the question is asking for can be? Why is there a can be in the question? Whereas we know that there are three fixed values. These three values fixed, only the pickup truck is as such. Okay. Why the question is can be? So as soon as you are able to answer this, you'll be able to answer this question as well as this question and one more question of set as well. Okay. So it means that there will be two set of values possible. Okay. So now the question is what can be the minimum number of cars? So we have two options for this T is for pickup. So we'll choose the minimum one, that is 31. So 230 plus 31 equal to 261. So इसका आंसर, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो हो गया 261 एंड इसका आंसर ये ऑप्शन गया, ये ऑप्शन गया, बोथ पॉसिबल. तो इसका आंसर हो गया, इसका आंसर हो गया ऑप्शन डी. So two questions are done. Now let's come back to the set. Oh, why have I come here? What can the minimum possible car sold of this wood? Okay, so this will come to this later on. Okay, ninth one we are sure 261 we got. Okay, 9, 10. 10th one, like this is the set. This में थोड़ा काम करना है. Okay, what can the, no, this question as well. What can be the minimum number of cars add to current page? Yeah, minimum number of cars sold of a specific type. Okay, we know that P is greater than Q equal to R. Okay, and we know that sum of PQR is 230. Okay, so ये तो minimum में नहीं आएगा, ठीक है. And now what remains is PQR is done. What remains is A, B, C, and these all are same only, and T. Okay, so A, B, C, and T. We have one equation that is 3A plus T equal to 70. Okay, now we have two values for T, that is 64 and 31. Okay, now we know that whichever value we keep, A will always be less than T. Okay, now since we have to minimize the number of possible cars for any type, so we'll take the minimum, we'll take T as to be maximum so that we allot minimum to A. Okay, so maximum T we can take is 64. So 3A will be 6 and A will be 2. So 2 is the minimum number, possible number of cars of any specific type is 2 is the answer to this question. Okay, I hope this makes sense and this is clear to you as well. So answer to this question is 2. So that's it. This is something I wanted to tell you about this. And one more set I'll be uploading separately of this set, this SIMCAT only. Okay, thank you.